Welcome to Odisha State Open University. I am Dr. Tirthajani Panda. Today presenting the topic Unit 1 Meaning, Definition, Scope of Demography, which is from the paper Social Demography PSO 105 MA Sociology. Let's get into the structure what I am going to present today. Scope of the unit, introduction, what is social demography, meaning of demography, importance of demography, and few important terminologies that is used in demographic studies. So, when you will say scope of the study of the social demography, basically it enables you for data analysis and interpretation. Interdisciplinary thinking is getting advanced while studying social demography, and policy formulations and planning becomes better for the person who understands social demography, while critical research and critical thinking becomes the major part to develop while reading social demography as a paper to study. Technological integration is also a major concern while studying social demography, because while studying social demography, many tools and techniques of technology has to be integrated for data analysis, data collection, data visualization, etc. So gradually in the latter part of this paper, we will discuss these things in details. Let's move into the introduction. So basically, social demography enables the students for future integration into the corporate technology for advanced analysis. However, the global perspective is also a major concern, which basically enables the student for global population issues and have a deeper understanding, analysis and implication as a global concern or global implication of the study. While policy application is also major part, applying these concerns and understanding to the policy and planning is also important. While skill development is also another important concern, hence enhancing data analysis techniques, critical thinking is also comes under the purview of social demography. Demographical understanding is at the core knowledge of social demographical study. So basically it enables the student immensely and variously as far as the technological advance and analysis and content, global population issues and its understanding is concerned, policy and plannings are concerned, and analytical thinking and core knowledge of demography becomes the thrust of such papers. While knowing the importance of social demography, the student might have many questions in their mind. So, it basically enables you to have a better understanding of the migration. Basically, which tells you about the analysis of the population, movements and its trends, its pattern that is happening across the globe, across the time and place and zones. While in case of policy planning, informs effective governance and resource distribution becomes the major concern while knowing the demography. While environmental sustainability is concerned, it promotes the sustainable resource management when you understand the demography better. In case of economic development, it basically guides the labor market strategies and growth initiatives. So basically, initially the major concern was the migration was happening in case of male migration. Nowadays, basically the migration happening in case of female migration, or you may say there is a feminization of the labor. So the various kind of things, and in terms of concept, in terms of theories, in terms of analytical viewpoints, you will come to know while studying the social demography as a paper. Then as far as the social welfare is concerned, supports of the public health and social programs becomes the major concern in this paper. What are the key concepts in social demography that is also important for you to know? The population composition, when we say, then it talks about the age, gender, marital status, occupation, education, ethnicity, etc. When you will study about the concept population dynamics, it basically talks about the birth, the death, and the migration rates, etc. In case of population distribution, which is very frequently used terminology and in social demography, that is geographic regions, spatial arrangement becomes the major area to focus upon. So, social demography is basically the paper which enables you to learn various kind of things in terms of technology, in case of demographic analysis, in case of spatial differentiation, in case of geographical differentiation, in case of regional developments and policy and planning. Thank you so much. Until next time, keep learning.